in nature that we have to see here. Occurrence of metals. The most metals being reactive do not occur in free in nature, but some are found in free state, and some compounds are found with their oxides, sorts of like as oxides, carbonates, sulfides, and nitrates. The most unreactive metals like as a gold and platinum, they are not affected by air or water or any other natural factors. So due to that reason, these we are getting in the free state. Okay, and the compounds of metal that occur in nature along with their impurities are called minerals. What is meant by minerals? See that the compounds of metal that occur in nature along with their impurities are called minerals. So minerals means what? We are getting that in nature with their impurities. Okay, like I suppose oxides are there, then carbonates are there, sulfides are there. There are so many things. Okay, now the minerals from which the metal can be separated economically are called ores. This definition keep in mind. Okay, means those metals we are getting in nature, and especially economically we are separating them. Remember this can be separated economically are called ores. Suppose nowadays we are using our regular iron also we are getting in the nature, but it's not getting directly free state. We have to obtain from its ores. Okay, so now about the ores, when we are going to speak, there are so many type of impurities are present, such as the soil, sand, rocky substances, and along their metal compounds. Suppose there we are going to speak about iron oxide is the impurities. Okay, oxides are there. Huh? So about the copper oxides are there. Then you'll get the cuprous oxides also there, sodium nitrate like this there. So these impurities are present like such as a soil, rock, and sand, and other compounds. It's called gang. It is called the gang. Do you have no gang? Everybody having their own gang. Correct? No? Your friends, okay, your groups are we are seeing that gang. But here this gang meaning is even related to the impurities. So here remember this the impurities of metals along with metals it's called the gang. Okay, and these metals can be extracted from this gang or by the means various methods of separation, which methods that only we have to learn here. Okay, now generally there are so many steps, so many methods are there to do separation, but basic principles of metallurgy, that is the first one, concentration of ores. Concentration is what? Who tell me? Anybody can tell? So here, when we are going to speak about the concentration of ores, that time we are getting that process of separating gang from the ores is called concentration of ores. Means whatever gang particles like the soil, sand, rocks, or in other compounds that we have to separate from the metal, which is present in the form like as a like iron oxides and like this, we are going to separating from it. That is called the concentration of ores. Means whatever we require that metal only we are separating from this impurities, that is called the concentration of ore. So in this process, what happened there? The concentration of compound of the desired metal is increased. Means when we are separating, suppose this is your metal is there, something there, and along it, suppose these impurities are present, some gang and other things. So when we are separating it, that time metal is present more in it. While we are separating it, that time we are getting it pure. Getting it, students? Any problem here in this occurrence of metals, ores, and their concentration of ores? Anybody is having any problems? You can ask me immediately. Otherwise, I will continue the next topic. Nobody is having their doubt?
No, sir, no problem.
Okay. Now we have to see their first method, that is a separation of based on the gravitation. With the help of gravitational force, that light particles can be separated, means gang particles can be separated from the ores. That's called the separation based on gravitation. There are so many methods. Generally, we are going to see, suppose your mother or your any those persons are working, those are cleaning the grains. Okay, there are so many impurities are present, like dust particles, there are stones, and then they are separating by this method, but there is little different method. So this we are going to see that will play table method. Which method will play table method. You can see here this is Arrangement of this will play table method. See, here this warm water. This warm water is given on it. This is ores form. This in the powder form. This powder form is put on here. You can check here, and through this, what happened? It introduced into this table, and you will see this vibrating continuously at machine. Okay, and due to that reason, what happened? Those are their lighter particles. That lighter particles can flow with the help of water, and those ores, those concentration of ore, we can collect there. Between this gap, you can see here. Are you able to see it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see, you can see these, those are their lighter particles. They can flow with the help of water. See here, these are their lighter particles, they are gang particles, and metals will be collected here between this gap. Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
See that depends on how much we want that we can see. See here, this your metal ores is collected here. That same thing only we have to learn here. Once again, I am going to show you. Okay. Now see this will play table methods. What happened about this method? Very simple thing. So these wooden replace are there. Okay. Yeah. This arrangement you can see with the help of this. We can pour the water on this will play table. Okay. Will play table means here wooden ripples are there. Wooden ripples. Do you know? Wooden ripples. लाकडी फळ्या माहिती आहेत? Yes.
Yes, sir.
तर या काय केले असते फळे एकमेकाला असे जॉईन केलेले असतात आणि ते फळ्यांचं एक टेबल बनवलं असतं थोडक्यात आणि खालून अशा प्रकारचे त्याची अरेंजमेंट केली असते की ज्यामुळे ज्यावेळेस आपण त्याला बटन ऑन करू इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोव्हाइड करू त्यावेळेस ते काय होईल ते व्हायब्रेट होतील आणि व्हायब्रेशनमुळे काय होईल जे काही तुमचं त्याच्यावर टाकलेली ओर आहे पावडर ओर ते काय होते पुढे पुढे सरकत जाते परंतु त्याचबरोबर ऍट ए टाइम काय केलं तर वॉर्म वॉटर हे केलं जातं रिलीज केलं जातं सेम टाइमला ते वॉर्म वॉटर रिलीज केल्यामुळे काय होतं तिथं की जे काही त्यातले डस्ट पार्टिकल्स आहेत जे काही सॉइल पार्टिकल्स आहेत ते पार्टिकल्स काय होतात लाइटर पार्टिकल्स असतात दॅन द ओर्स ड्यू टू दॅट रिझन इट कॅन फ्लो इझिली ओके through this and then whatever their metal ores it can attach there only that will play table okay so here you can see this is going on continuously vibrating see here this water poured here and easily we can understand with the help of this water pour these soil particles sand particles or impurities can go away from the metal or ores did you got it. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Any question here?
No, sir.
Once again, you can see this. Very simple. When that water is released, that time its color is changed. Now you can see here water color is there, normal water color. Means what happened there? Whatever there impurities it has removed with the help of this water. Okay. Are you able to see this now? See, this only these ripples were there, and here only this collected down metal ore. Yes, see. Understood? Method. Second method, hydraulic separation method means hydraulic means here with the help of water, simple thing. With the help of water as well as this is based on the working of a mill. Do you see mill? Who has seen mill? Nobody seen? पिठाची गिरणी बघितली कधी फ्लोर मिल
Yes, sir.
So here, this is based on that mill only, and there is a tapering vessel similar to that used in the grinding mill. Here you can see, and it opens in a tank container that is the tapering on the lower side. You can see this is the here powder ore is put from it. Okay, and the tank having here outer to their outlet, we can say that is the for gangue particles, and here below pouring water from downside you see, and concentrated ore is collected at the bottom of this. Okay, then what happened here? Very simple thing. So this from lower side, this water inlet is there. So water is there, highly pressure. See, this water is coming in with high pressure, not just only our regular pressure. And due to that reason, this ore from this side we are pouring inside. So it will be mixed with this water because it here continuously this water inlet is going on, water is there, and you know that suppose continuously we are providing water to something, then what happens? This water will be float inside. Okay, it will be rotated inside, and due to that reason, whatever this the gangue particles which are lighter than it can collected here on the top of the water. Okay, this here, and it can flow through this outlet. And by this method, we can separate this concentrated of ore and gangue from each other. Got it? Yes or no? It is a very simple
Yes, sir.
method. What happened? Those are lower particles, those are lighter particles. We can say that particles can flow above the surface of water, and due to that reason, it can easily go with the help of water outside. And those ore or concentrate of ore is there, that is a heavy weight than the gangue particles. Due to that reason, they can collect at the bottom.
Differences in ore and the gangue particles. It is therefore a type of gravity separation. Cassiterite is concentrated by this method. The Will flying tables are specially made tables for washing of ores. The ore is ground to a fine powder in ball mills. Then the pump.
There also mention about this.
A strong current agitates the powdered ore.
You can see here.
Lighter gangue particles rise
Yeah.
up, while heavier ore particles sink down.
Whatever ore we are going to put inside directly in, and then what happen here? When we are going to put here is ores, and from this source of water means inlet of the water. So it's continuously here. It will be create the bubbles, and due to that reason, those are lighter particles. That lighter particles will be collected here, and these lighter particles will be collected here, and then because continuously flow of water is going on, due to that reason, this water level will be reach up to the air continuously, and then lighter particles will be at the top, and they can directly come out through the outlet for the gangue. And those are heavy particles. That heavy particles will be collected at the bottom, and we can take out through this one outlet for the ore. So here we can collect the ore. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now here you can see this method. So it's a huge, very simple method. By this, with the help of hydraulic power, this method we generally nowadays might be you don't know, but our grandparents were there. They were using this method. Okay, for separating. Suppose there dust is there or soil is there present in the grain, then they were using this method. Okay, but their little method change. Like you can see this, it's going on. Okay.